Hello guys, don't for that sound because I'm from Philippines. But I have this new DIY squishy that I just made by that is mine. But I'm in the top. I'm so that is the best. And I have only this Miss Coin. Be quiet. Oh my gosh. There's a mold in my squishy. OMG. I just made by hands. Check my hands. Check my hands. I made it by hands. And I use the other parts to use it inside.
Partner nito.
Yung isa ko yung yung pang grade 2. Don't worry, I'm from Philippines. And I got a teacher.
Ay, pinapatulog kayo, di ba?
Be quiet.
Kayo tutulog? Isa. Dalawa.
Sleep right now. Matulog ka na.
Hindi kayo tutulog?
Sorry. Oh my gosh. I keep falling. Wait. This is right now the left. That found this. It's rising too. It's not rising. Why? There's mold in the back. Oh my gosh, I made this. There's a mold in the back.
Bakit mo mga ano dito?
But we cannot open it because it's only squishy
Tong.
and it's rising.
Dapat butong dyan, Drake.
I'm coming for part 2 and I'm gonna show you how to make it. I made
Sabing,
it
putong? Putong ba yan?
to do this
Kaya mo yan. Yan.
because I'm in the other. OMG, I don't know there's. Thanks. We have a part 2 next week.